TV Time is shutting down for good after July 15th, and when it does, all your data gets deleted, every show, every rating gone. So I spent a while testing the alternatives, and in this video, I'll show you the 4 apps I actually recommend, how to move your data into each one, and what each app looks like. The 4 are Refract, Trakt, Showly, and Serializd. Let's get into it. The first is Refract because it's the closest thing to TV Time. The same clean layout, your posters, your progress, and no ads. It's also not too hard to move into, and it doesn't even need the official export. Quick heads up, because so many people are switching over from TV Time right now, Refract is under heavy load and scaling up to keep up. So at the moment, it can feel slower than the others. If it lags or an import stalls, don't worry, just give it a minute and try again. This should settle down soon. Search for TV Timeout by Refract and add the extension from the Chrome Web Store. Log into TV Time in your browser, open the extension, leave the format on JSON and hit Export My Data. You'll get 3 files. One is just an export summary you can ignore, and the other 2 are the ones you want, your movie list and your series list. Now open the Refract app on your phone, go to Import and add those 2 files. Done. And as you can see inside, Refract lets you rate your shows, share your thoughts, and save everything to your watch list, just like you used to. For the next 3 apps, you'll need TV Time's official export. Search TV Time GDPR data and open the official export page. Sign in with your TV Time account and request your data. It can take a few minutes or up to an hour with everyone rushing to do it right now, so check back. When it's ready, download it. You'll get 1 zip file. Keep the whole thing and don't unzip it. You'll need it just as it is. Next is Trakt, and this one isn't about looks, it's about backup. I'd honestly call Trakt a must because it's the safe place your whole history lives and almost every other app connects to it. Search Trakt on Google and open app.trakt.tv. Sign in or make a free account. Then go to Settings, open the Data section and choose the TV Time import. Upload your whole zip file and Trakt pulls in your entire history. The interface is pretty basic, more of a database than a polished app. But that's fine, because we're about to put a much nicer app right on top of it. That app is Showly. I recommend it right after Trakt because it syncs with Trakt instantly and looks so much better. There's no import to do at all. Just install Showly, sign in with your Trakt account and sync it, and every show you backed up shows up right here. It's clean, it's simple, and from this one nice interface, you can rate your shows and manage all your lists. And last but not least, Serializd. I saved this one for the end because it's the closest to the thing people loved most about TV Time, the community. It's full of active comments, reviews, and discussion on every show, so it actually feels alive. To import, open the show list file from that zip you downloaded and copy your show titles. Then in Serializd, go to your profile settings and open the Import Shows tab. Paste your titles into the box, choose which list to add them to, like watched or watch list, and submit. Once you're in, you can rate every episode, write reviews, and jump into the conversation with other fans. So which should you pick? Honestly, they're all good. It just depends on what you're looking for. If I'm being personal, my 2 favorites are Serializd and Showly. I love Serializd for that active community. The comments and reviews make it feel alive, just like TV Time did. And I love Showly for how simple and clean it is. One small downside on Refract, as far as I've found, it doesn't have a widget for your upcoming soon-to-release episodes. Showly and Serializd both have really good widgets for that. So if seeing what's coming up on your home screen matters to you, keep that in mind. But whatever you choose, set up Trekt behind it. That's the backbone that keeps everything backed up and easy to move. And do it before July 15th, because after that, it's gone for good. If this helped, subscribe for more simple how-to guides and tell me in the comments which app you picked. See you in the next one.